Welcome back to the Vinyasa A series. Today we are going to be looking at Urdhva Hastasana to Uttanasana, upward hands to standing forward fold. It's the first and last counted pose of the sequence. Reviewing from Samastitihi, keep a gentle bend in the knees while keeping the thighs and glutes engaged. Inhale and lift the arms straight overhead with the gaze to the palms. Exhale, start folding forward, keeping a straight spine with the bended knees, leaning into the balls of the feet. When you release the hands to the mat, compress the chest against the thighs. Then straighten the legs as best you can. Straight legs are not mandatory, but the chest-thigh compression will fast-track your progress. As you forward fold, don't forget to keep the belly pulled toward the spine. This will be repeated over and over through the series, so get used to me reminding you. If you're having trouble, bring the arms straight overhead, then immediately take them back to the waist as a reminder to keep the abdomen pulled tight. Hand placement. Once you touch down to the mat, align the fingers and toes in one line. With the entire palm planted, place the hands forward to stay further compressed into the legs. You may feel as though you're falling back into the heels. To counter, lean your weight forward into the balls of the feet and even the big toes. The opposing forces here will maximize your forward fold. Two notes here on shoulders and elbows. Avoid squeezing the shoulders by tensing the traps that connect to the neck. Keep the shoulders away from the ears. Scrunching and flaring the elbows won't help you get deeper into the pose, so relax both. If you like this video, please like, comment, and bell notify this channel for more content every week. The next video in this series will explore the transition of Uttanasana into Urdhva Hastasana, standing forward fold to the half lift. So thank you for joining me today. I hope you learned something new. Namaste.